So why we need BIM in the construction or the AEC industry? The AEC industry refers to the architecture, engineering and construction. We need to use BIM for many reasons. One of those is project complexity. Project become more complex with time. We need to do the project in a timely manner and on a tight budget with tight time schedule with on a fast track projects. And when you see those projects, those are very complex projects, not just the residential easy projects that we have used to do 20 or 30 years before. Another thing is the aspect of time management or a fast track project, like I've said before. All these projects, the owners requiring to deliver the project in just a few months, maybe year or year and a half at maximum. So there is no room for mistake in here. Another thing, many clashes happen on site that we don't consider while we doing the fabrication drawings or while we are doing the construction shop drawings or the design data. Many clashes happen on site that we don't consider during the design or the fabrication phase, which makes it difficult for contractors to execute the projects in a timely manner, and this will lead to costly overruns and time delays. Another thing, some design changes. The design might change while the construction have already begun. So we need to make this design and reproduce all the fabrication drawings and update all the drawings with newer revision and send those to site. So it makes it difficult for the contractors or the project teams in the site to grasp all this and communicate all these changes in the project. Another thing, when we are working on a fast track project, many contractors or subcontractors would be involved to finish the project much more quickly. This makes difficult site management, and everyone wants to finish early to impress the client and say that I have finished earlier than the other contractors. And so one more thing is too many RFIs. Refers to a request for information. We might find something that we can't understand in a 2D drawing if we're not using BIM. If we can't understand this, or some design changes also happen, we send an RFI document, which is a request for information, to the consultant or to the design team, asking them to clarify this information that we don't know. One more thing is miscommunication between the stakeholders. Many stakeholders will be involved in these mega construction projects, and they will have miscommunication between them, like a newer revision have arrived but doesn't contain all the drawing packages. So you're working on an older revision for a few drawings and a newer revision for some other drawings. This would make much more difficult construction of the project if we are not using BIM. So it's very important and beneficial if we are using BIM.